Wow, wow, wow. Taeyong, I got Yuna, and Yeji. There's no Ryujin though. So pretty. Let me unbox this specific Moto album na signed ni Ryujin. So, I wonder where she signed it. Gosh! Nahawakan to ni Ryujin. So, unsealed na siya. This is cute. Maganon siya. Let's see. My girls are so pretty. Lakas ng ulan. What the heck? Buti dumating to ng maayos. What happened here? No! Damage siya! Ah! I saw it. Grabe naman! Sinulat yung buong pangalan ko! She signed my full name. And ito pala yung signed album. I am just so happy. I got my signed album from Ryujin. Ito yung inclusions niya. First of all, I got Yuna card, Leah photo card. So pretty ang ganda niya, girl. Ang liit na mukha. Another Yuna. Wow. A group photo. Wow. Bookmark. Stickers. That's it for this video. Bye! Try natin maghunt ng other albums kung meron ba. I want a Ryujin PC. Okay. Which one is it? Leah. Yuna. Ryujin. Leah. Leah, Yuna. Bakit? Puro Leah, Yuna. Ryujin. Oh! Ryujin pool. Another Chaeryeong. Chaeryeong girly. Another one. Oh! Oh my gosh, this is Ryujin. Oh, ito yung mga pools ko. Oops. Wow. Only Yeji photo card. Yuna. Chaeryeong. Only Chaeryeong photo card. So it's mostly Yuna and Leah here in my pools. That's it for this video.